guys, dito ako sa Naga. Dito ako mag-seminar. Ano daw? Sa basement daw. Basement sir, bumay. Thank you. Nagkamali ka ba? Dito gaganap ko. Kausapin ko si Doktora. Si Doc. Ay, dito tayo kung gusto nyo. Ayan, sa entrance, oh. Kasi may flag. Or doon. Ayan, pwede rin dyan.
Ano po?
May ilang.
Ako!
Si Doktora Sharon.
Diyos ko, Lord!
Ito ang permanente dito.
Oh, yeah.
Ay, si Press. Hi, Press! Press! I have something for you.
Hi!
Siyang iidak of president ngayon. Ha? Pinaputol ko yung hair ko. Saan po kami pala mag-ano?
Antayin niyo si Doc Liza.
Coming pa lang siya.
Siya mag
Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone.
right arm.
Opo.
PTA Camarines Chapter
Po.
79 Induction Ceremony for the new set of officers, new set. Let us welcome the outgoing chapter president, Dr. Hilary Pahamar, for her valedictory address. Thank you so much.
Hello po. Ito pala yung entrance. Saan yung restroom? Open yung restroom. Thank you. Dito ako.
With the same sport. Remember, you can saturated the international sport with following the ways of the content. Not extinct na siya. And it will be more difficult to face the international sport when it's already contained the lot of movies. Okay? So, if you make a mistake,
reserve ko na sa'yo. Reserve ko na sa'yo.
in court, again, I always ask you to do that for at least 5 minutes in order to be more effective, but not more than 10 minutes.
Doon niya, ano?
During this time, the patient will be asked to buy on visit
Can
to
bone
home,
roasting.
just to maintain the isolation of the area. So patient anesthesia will power if needed. Okay? The patient is kind of sensitive. Mababa na yung pain threshold.
Magay ka muna sa YouTube channel.
So, the specialty isolation.
Mga kliyente ko yan last 2015 up to now. Diba?
Rational.
Asa tayo ngayon sa
Improves the
Nasa
efficiency of
UMA
the
tayo ngayon. May scientific seminar po ang PDA Camp.
Nabawash away yung medicament. It's as much as possible you want to have the right. And also, indications. Multiple anterior teeth impression where any damage to the gingival tissue within 2 recession. Okay, mostly it's concentrated sa anterior. I show you why. Because it's seen with good proximity, placing cords around the teeth simultaneously will cause strangulation. Masasakal. Kapag ka nasakal, magkakaroon yung lack of blood supply. And it will be leading to black triangles. Black triangles. It is na awit na lang kayo ng black triangles. Here's a classic example. Excited ba na lang? Isipin nyo rin, how to put it based on the reaction for the name. Kaya sabi natin, title ng meal, dahil gusto nyo ng impression natin. So you might take it in 20 minutes. You'll find or something natin. So what will happen?
Tagay ka muna sa YouTube channel. Tagay ka muna sa YouTube channel doon. Oo, ay, ganda oh. Ang ganda. Ang ganda mo dito do.
Of course!
Sino mo ang ganda? Ano, nasaan tayo?
Nasa Camsor.
Camsor ano to? Anong hotel to?
UMA.
Kita naman yung mga beauty ng mga
Sister ko na ipabisto ko na. Mas may tusing
Hello, ma'am. Pwede po magpaano? Ikaw ba naman?
Thank you po. Salamat. Nasaan
Thank you po. Thank you po. My president.